Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to recover lost access to Roblox Authenticator. So make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to solve your problem. First of all, go to the website of roblox.com, and once you're here, just make sure to go to the support section. Just change the home and write down support, press enter. And once you press enter, it will take a few seconds to load and it will take you basically to the support page or the support section of Roblox. And once you're on the support section or like the contact us page of Roblox, you will be seeing an interface like this. So from here, make sure to enter your username. As you can see, this is basically the same username as mine is in the game. And you can write down your name as well. Make sure to write down your name, which is, let's say my name is John Wick or whatever your name is. And after that, enter the email address that is associated with your Roblox account. Confirm your email address, and in the issue section, what device are you using, you can just choose your device type. Are you using MacBook, Chromebook, or whatever you're using, and to type the help category. And from here, you can just choose account hacked or can't login. And once you choose this, make sure to choose the subcategory. And from here, just lost access to my two-step verification method. Choose this one, and in the description make sure to write down the complete details of everything that I lost access to my two-step verification. You can just write down that I lost my email address or I lost my email, like the codes, and I can't log in with my two-step verification, and just help me and solve my problem. So basically within 24 to 48 hours, one of the team member will verify your case and they will contact you to solve your issue. That is how easily you can solve your two-step verification issue in your Roblox account.